I created my own AI agent in my kitchen, as you can see in the background. It turns instructions into action with human-like precision. I don't need to perform any manual actions anymore. I just command my AI agent on what to do and enjoy the process watching the show. It feels like magic, really. So let's just give it a shot and see that bad boy in action.
Listening.
Click the Google Chrome icon on my desktop. There you go.
Listening.
Open YouTube, please. Touching anything, as you can see.
Listening.
Search for funny cat videos.
Listening.
It is really a magic. It's not the final product, by the way, it's one of my tests. Stay tuned for the next upgrades.